Let's continue our discussion uh, about how to train our learners in recognizing words and spellings, and what's its significance for teaching reading, especially in the second language context. So there are various techniques which we can employ as being second language teachers in order to help our students develop word recognition and um, spelling habits. Okay, so of course there is one technique which is called memorization technique. In this technique, we ask our students deliberately to memorize words, and then we bring in some activities in the classroom um, which can cover and retrieve. For example, if the students have already learned the word yacht, so we can give them, or we can write down why the first letter of the word and ask them what this word could be. So that's actually the deliberately we are engineering our students to spell words. As you can see here, the second example is occurrence. We can write down O, the first letter of the word, and then ask our students what could be this O could be about, or what word it can form. So another technique is the use of analogies. By analogies, I mean we can make our students think of known words which share similar spelling features. So that's important technique. By for example, analogy. If you look at the word apply, so learners can think of known words. For example, there is an analogy to reply, supply, etc. So pronouncing word in the way it's spelled is important to teach. And another technique is that some words, some tricky words, which have got like unpredictable spelling, can be mispronounced, and we can ask students if we are correct, or we can ask them to correct us or what error we committed. And another technique is to make the students visualize some words and write their spellings. And then, of course, we can bring in some tests, some mastery tests, some exercises which can help know what are the problems students facing in recognizing words and spelling. So there are some noticing patterns which we can include. For example, day, play, say, may, stay, as you can see here. So studying rules is all the more important, and it's the area which has got significant attention in applied linguistics. So we've got some free and checked vowels which we can clearly tell to our students. So we can help them memorize new items and find spelling of the needed word. So it's important to train our students how to pronounce the new word when reading, and how to make a part of their language learning. So in this way, that will help develop their fluency, and that will help develop their meaning-focused input.